Select Kia models now include reverse parking collision avoidance assist. Here's how it works. Reverse parking collision avoidance assist uses a rear view camera and rear ultrasonic sensors to help warn the driver of objects or pedestrians behind the vehicle. This feature may help with braking to assist in reducing the possibility of a collision with a pedestrian or an object when backing up. Here's how to enable reverse parking collision avoidance assist. Press the mode button on the steering wheel to select user settings in the instrument cluster. On select Kia models, the settings will be in the audio head unit. Press the setup key and then the vehicle button, and the vehicle settings will appear on the audio head unit screen. Select driver assistance and parking safety. If rear active assist is selected, the function will warn the driver and assist with braking. If rear warning only is selected, the system will warn the driver when a collision is imminent, but braking will not be assisted. And if off is selected, reverse parking collision avoidance assist will turn off. The feature is active when the transmission is in reverse and the vehicle speed is below 6 miles per hour. If the system detects a risk of collision, it sounds an audible warning, displays a warning message on the instrument cluster, and, if equipped, vibrates the steering wheel. If it is determined a collision is imminent, the system will assist with braking, but be aware that the brake assist only lasts 2 seconds, so the driver must immediately apply the brakes. The driver can also select the warning timing between normal and late. Here is how you change it. With the vehicle on, press the setup key on the audio head unit, then the on-screen vehicle button. Select driver assist, then select warning timing. Now you can select either standard or late. You can also adjust the warning volume. With the vehicle on, select driver assist, then select warning volume. Now you can select high, medium, low. Be aware that if you change the warning volume for PCA, the warning volume for other driver assistance systems may change as well. Reverse parking collision avoidance assist can be a real asset when backing out of a parking space. Remember that advanced driver assistance systems are not substitutes for safe driving and may not detect all objects around the vehicle. Always drive safe and use caution. For additional information on reverse parking collision avoidance assist, please refer to your owner's manual, the Features and Functions Guide for your vehicle, or the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.